Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Renault 2.3 Dci engine, also known by its internal code M9T, is a common diesel power plant primarily found in the Renault Master van, as well as its badge-engineered counterparts like the Nissan NV400 and opel/Vauxhall Movano. It has been a staple in the light commercial vehicle LCV segment for its balance of power, efficiency, and overall usability. History and versions. The 2.3 Dci M9T engine was introduced around 2010 with the third generation of the Renault Master. It has seen various power outputs over the years to meet evolving emissions standards and performance demands. Initial versions 2010 to 2014 typically offered in power outputs like 100 horsepower, 125 horsepower, and 145 horsepower. Facelift versions 2014 onwards continued with similar power ranges, often including energy variants, e.g., Energy DCI 145, 165, 170, which sometimes featured twin turbochargers for improved efficiency and power delivery. Recent versions 2019 onwards still offered with outputs like 130 horsepower, 150 horsepower, and 170 horsepower, with the higher outputs often paired with automatic transmissions. These versions are designed to meet Euro 6 emission standards, incorporating AdBlue systems. Opinions and general review. The 2.3 Dci engine is generally regarded as a competent and reliable workhorse for commercial vehicles. Smooth and responsive. Drivers often praise its smooth power delivery and responsiveness, especially in the higher output versions. Good for hauling. It provides ample torque for carrying heavy loads, making it suitable for its intended purpose in vans. Refinement. At higher speeds, it offers good refinement, with engine noise often less noticeable than wind and road noise. Paired with transmissions, it's typically paired with a 6-speed manual gearbox, which usually offers a positive shift action and light clutch, or a 9-speed automatic transmission for convenience. Advantages: strong torque, excellent for carrying heavy loads and tackling various driving conditions. Good fuel economy. For its class, while it's a large van engine, it generally offers respectable fuel consumption figures. Reliability. Generally, the core M9T engine is considered reliable, particularly when well-maintained. Versatility. Available in a range of power outputs and often with front-wheel drive, FWD, or rear-wheel drive, RWD, configurations, catering to different load and traction requirements. Long-distance capability. The large fuel tank options, 80 to 105 liters, offer a substantial range, ideal for long-haul work. Disadvantages. Not a performance engine. It's built for utility, not speed, and acceleration, especially with lower power outputs or when fully loaded, might not be thrilling. Noise. At times, while generally refined at speed, it can be a bit noisy under hard acceleration or at lower speeds. Build quality. Minor concerns. Some reviews mentioned that overall build quality could be a little tougher in certain areas, though this doesn't always relate directly to the engine. Faults and breakdowns. While generally reliable, the 2.3 Dci engine and its associated systems can experience certain common issues, especially on higher mileage vehicles or if maintenance is neglected. AdBlue and emissions systems. With the implementation of Euro 6 standards, problems related to the AdBlue system, NOx sensors, AdBlue injector crystallization, AdBlue pump/heater module, and diesel particulate filter, DPF, are among the most frequently reported. This can lead to warning lights and limp mode activation. Timing chain rattle. On higher mileage units, timing chain rattle can occur, indicating wear. This is a crucial area to monitor as timing chain issues can lead to significant engine damage if not addressed. EGR valve/cooler leaks. EGR, exhaust gas recirculation, valve and cooler issues are common, potentially causing coolant loss and white exhaust smoke. Turbocharger issues. Like many turbocharged diesels, turbocharger failures can occur, sometimes linked to oil supply problems or contamination. Symptoms include decreased power, whistling noises, and blue/gray smoke. Injector faults. Diesel injector problems can manifest as knocking sounds, difficulty starting, especially when warm, rough running, or excessive exhaust smoke. Gearbox bearing wear. Master in general, while not strictly an engine fault, the associated manual gearboxes, PF6/PK6, in a Master have a known weakness with input-output shaft bearing wear, leading to whining noises. This often requires a gearbox rebuild. Electrical gremlins. Water ingress into the fuse box or UCH, unit control habitacle, can lead to various electrical issues. Fuel consumption. Fuel consumption for the 2.3 Dci engine in the Renault Master varies, depending on the power output, transmission, and vehicle load/driving conditions. Combined cycle. Generally, combined fuel economy figures tend to be in the mid-30s mpg, miles per gallon, or around July 6th, 10L/100 km for larger van configurations, depending on the specific model year and power output. WLTP figures. More recent models, post-2019, tested under WLTP standards report CO2 emissions around 199 to 276 g/km and combined fuel consumption figures in a similar range. Timing. The Renault 2.3 Dci M9T engine uses a timing chain rather than a timing belt. This is generally seen as an advantage as timing chains are designed to last the lifetime of the engine and do not require periodic replacement like belts. However, as noted in the faults section, the timing chain can still stretch or wear on higher mileage vehicles, leading to rattle and potentially requiring replacement. Oil. Adhering to the correct oil specifications is crucial for the longevity of the 2.3 Dci engine, especially given its common rail injection system and DPF. Viscosity, typically a 5W30 or 5W40 synthetic oil, is recommended. Specifications. It is vital to use oils that meet Renault's specific approvals, primarily Renault RN0720 for vehicles with a DPF and requiring low SAPS oil, or Renault RN17 for newer models. Other compatible specifications often include ASEA C3 or C4. Capacity. Engine oil capacity is generally around 8 to 9 liters, though it's always best to check the vehicle's owner's manual for the precise capacity for your specific variant. Overall, the Renault 2.3 Dci engine, M9T, is a solid performer for its segment. It provides good power, reasonable fuel economy for a van engine, and is generally considered reliable. However, like any modern diesel, it's susceptible to issues related to complex emission systems and some general wear items. Regular and correct maintenance, including using the specified oil, is paramount to ensure its long-term durability and minimize potential costly repairs. When buying a used vehicle with this engine, pay close attention to the service history and listen for any telltale noises like timing chain rattle or excessive turbo whine. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.